Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and all three major indexes will end the week in negative territory after suffering a 1-2 punch from the Fed and President Trump. And it all started when the Fed announced that they were cutting the key interest rate a quarter of a point in an effort to keep the economy on track. And that news sent all three major indexes down over 1% on the day, with the S&P 500 being the first of the three indexes to trigger a new red weekly trade triangle at 2,963.44, sending the chart analysis score to negative 70 and indicating that we should be looking at a sidelines position for the S&P 500 and possibly the overall market. That move lower has continued as we end the week, currently down right now over 3% on the week, trading at 2,919.10 and down 1.17% on the day. And we'll take a look at a weekly chart as we are on Friday, and there you can see it right now actually down 3.5% on the week. Key level to watch moving forward will be 3,027.98. A move back above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a possible long position for the S&P 500. Take a look at the dollar index, having the opposite effect of the indexes, moving higher, up right now about 0.2% on the week, trading at 98.13, with a chart analysis score plus 90, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for the US dollar as it continues to gain strength. Key level to watch would be 96.74. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Take a look at the Dow Jones, currently trading at 26,301.51, down 3.2% on the week, with a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the Dow. And we'll go back to a daily chart to show you its red weekly trade triangle that triggered yesterday at 26,665.57, indicating that move to a sidelines position. Key level to watch moving forward will be 27,398.68. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the Dow. Last to join the race to lower is the NASDAQ today, issuing a new red weekly trade triangle at 8,061.32, pushing the chart analysis score to negative 70, indicating that we are now in a sidelines position for all three major indexes, currently trading at 7,967.02, down about 1.78% on the day. And we'll take a look at the weekly chart. You see we are currently down 4.3% on the week, having by far the worst week of the three indexes. Key level to watch moving forward will be 8,339.64. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the NASDAQ. Move along to gold, currently having a great week, up 1.84%, with trading at 1,457.80, with a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term uptrend for gold, and we're currently looking at the December futures contract. Key level to watch would be 1,416. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term sidelines position for gold. Crude oil, after the tariff talks took a big tumble, currently down 1.58% on the week, trading at 55.33, with a chart analysis score negative 100, with red trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch would be 57.98. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. We'll back it out of here and we'll take a look at Bitcoin. Currently up 2.7% on the day. After having back-to-back weekly losses, it is getting a gain of 12% on the week, trading back above 10,000 with a chart analysis score plus 75. So overall, we're still a mixed picture on Bitcoin as we're in a bit of a sidelines mode. Currently trading at 10,642.46. Key level to watch has come down quite a bit to 11,370.78. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend, and I'll be back with some market updates next week.